Day 198, and today we are looking at how to delete error cells. So as you can see in my spreadsheet here, I have 4 error cells. So in this workbook, it's quite easy to delete the error cells because I can select them quickly and hit delete, and I would have deleted the error values. However, in a very big spreadsheet, it is quite tricky because you have to spend a lot of time trying to select all the cells where there are errors. So for you to be able to do that, you can make use of the GoTo function. So you can just click Control G, then you can open the special tab here and you say formulas. Then you make sure you're only selecting errors here. So you uncheck everything else and just keep errors checked. And you say okay. Then you can delete the error values quickly. So even if you have thousands and thousands of cells that have error values, you quickly click select them and be able to delete them instantly. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.